Understanding Exercise Caution, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, exercise caution. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can be very helpful in everyday English conversations. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples in context. Exercise caution is a phrase that combines two words, exercise and caution. To exercise, something means to use or apply it. Caution refers to care taken to avoid danger or mistakes. Therefore, when we say, exercise caution, we're advising someone to be careful and to avoid unnecessary risks. It's a way of alerting someone to potential dangers or problems in a situation. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few scenarios. Physical safety. Exercise caution when crossing the street. Making decisions. Exercise caution before investing in this project. General advice. It's best to exercise caution in unfamiliar situations. Remember, the phrase is typically used as a recommendation or advice and is more formal than simply saying, be careful. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Weather reports. Due to the icy roads, drivers are advised to exercise caution. 2. In the workplace, while using the machinery, employees should always exercise caution. 3. Health advice. Exercise caution when trying new dietary supplements. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in everyday situations, emphasizing the importance of being careful. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, exercise caution. Remember, it's a useful phrase to convey the need for carefulness and attentiveness in various situations. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning, and don't forget to exercise caution in your language journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.